All right, here we are at Toy Story Land, and Woody told me that my best way to get around Toy Story Land is to take Slinky Dog and help find Lee's, because that's the fastest around. What does he mean by the fastest? I guess we're gonna go find out. Let's go check out Slinky Dog.
That's like when they got home and told them like separated them, like that whole set was like some really sticking out with something else. Wait, did he did No, I remember what you're talking about though. He did quite a stage last. He was trying to break it off.
Well, we're here to look for my wife. Hopefully she's around somewhere.
We'll take care of that.
That's funny. Here we go. Where are we going? Where are we going?
You good, guys?
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, geez, that's
Okay. Uh-huh. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Have you seen my wife? You're too busy singing. I got you. Okay.
You're gonna see destiny. You got a friend in me.
I feel a storm coming on.
You got a friend in me.
Oh yeah.
You got a friend in me.
That's what that Mr. Spill is saying.
The road looks rough ahead.
You enjoy dancing around the backyard. Please stay seated till we come to it.
Excellent. Didn't see Lisa. Yeah. Well, that was definitely the fastest way around Toy Story Land. I didn't see Lee's. Well, we'll keep looking. Hey, Bo. I've been looking everywhere for my wife, and nope, couldn't find her. Any? No. Okay. What about Tim Tracker? Have you seen the? Yeah, no Tim Tracker either. I know he usually hangs with you, so but well, can't find either of them. Well, we tried. We've gone all over Hollywood Studios. Could not find her, so but we had a good time. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hey, we'll keep looking for her. We won't find the tracker.